Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you are watching me from, wherever you are watching this video from. I want to run the analysis of covariance My name is Akinshola Abidat Ololuwa with matric number 176776. Matric number 17676. This is the data before me is the data I want to use to run analysis of covariance. We have 4 columns here. First column comprises of is group. Second column is mental ability. Third column is pre-interest, while the fourth column is post-interest, respectively. As it is, we have group. Under this group, it comprises of 2 strategies, strategy A and strategy B. Then we have control. Mental ability is our moderator variable here. Mental ability is our moderator variable. Then we have pre-interest and we have post-interest. This mental ability is telling us about the pre and post interest of the student in the school, in a particular school subject, their performance. So when you look at it critically, it is in continuous form. It is in continuous level. We have to take it to categorical before we can perform any analysis on it on the SPSS. So I will transform mental ability to make it categorical. So to transform it, we click on analysis, we go to descriptive. From descriptive, we are going to explore. So what do we want to explore is mental ability. Then put it in the box. Then choose the statistics method you want to use. I prefer using percentile. I want to make use of percentile for this analysis on the SPSS. So having done that, I'll press OK. This is the result of mental ability explore. When you look at it from the case processing summary, we have mental ability to be 100%. We have 95% confidence interval. We have upper band, we have lower band to be 47. We have upper band to be 51. Then we have 5% trimmed mean. We have mean, we have variance, we have standard deviation, we have minimum and maximum, we have range, we have interquartile rate, we have skewness and kurtosis. When you look at our kurtosis in the negative, but for this purpose, I will not explain it. I will explain it in some other time. Then, when you look at this table, we have weighted average from 5 percentile to 95 percentile, respectively. But I want to make use of 2 key hinges that range from 25% to 75%. You can see that we have 43.11 for 25 percentile, we have 49.98 for 50 percentile, then we have 55.53 for 75 percentile, and so on and so forth. When you look at it critically, to determine our 25 percentile, it range from 43.11 to 49.97, while the 50 percentile range from 49.98 to 55.52, and our 75 percentile range from 55.53 to 67, which is our maximum here. Look at it, and you have to pay attention to it. 67.54. Now we want to transform this. I have recorded into same variables. Likewise, we can record it to different variables. For this purpose, I choose different variables. So from there, what do you want to explore is mental ability. Then click on mental ability, put it in the box, then rename it. I will name it mark category. I will name it mark category. Then this will be mark T. Mark T. Then I will go to old and new. Click on old and new. Then here, what do I want to make use of? I prefer to use range. Then this is value. I will assign value to it 1. My 1 will be 25 percentile, will represent 25 percentile, then it will be 43.11 through 49.97. Then I will add. The second one is 50 percentile. It ranges from 49.98 through 55.52. Then add. This is 50%, and then third one will be 55.53 through our maximum the other time, 67.54. Then 57.54. Add. So this is our 25 percentile. This is my 50 percentile, and this is 75 percentile and above, respectively. Then I will click on continue. Then I will change it. Then press OK. I have another result here, as you can see. Then I'll go back to my table. I'll go back to my table to see what is really happening there. To see what is really happening there. Here is my table. As you can see, I have another column named Mark A. Then, but some values seems to missing. So I will definitely fix it up. So I will use low value, that is 1, to fix it up. I fix it up quickly for us to be able to proceed. So I'm done with the missing value. So I'm ready to run my ANCOVA now. The data is ready. over. Let's check so that there won't be any mixing follow again. Okay, so to run our Hankover, all we need to do is to go back to Analyze, move it to General Linear Model. From there, click on Univariate. Then, here, you need to pay more attention in placing these variables because each of them has where it belongs to. I have post-test will go under dependent variable. I have mark test, which is new one to under the fixed factor. Likewise, group will go under the fixed factor. Then pretest is a covariate. Treat it accordingly. Here, I will go to model. I want to use 3 by 3 factorial matrix. Then go to plots, click on this, add it, press add, then click on group, add it, then press add. I may want it separately on different graph too. Yes. Then this. Then click continue. Having clicked continue, then choose EM. Here I want to test overall. Or I should go by this. I don't want to use overall. Put this in the box. Then this too. Continue. So I'll click on descriptive, estimates of effect size. I may choose homogeneity test, then I say continue. We'll say continue. Okay. Yeah. So I'll come back here under the option. I will choose general me. I'll choose general mean. Okay. Here again, compare mean effects. Here I'll be able to choose Bonferroni. Then I say continue. Then I will press OK. This is my final results. We have between subject factor, that is our control variable, mental ability. As you can see, the result here is 30-30 for our strategy. Then we have this, the only one that marked C. It means it has significance than other. It means students' interest, mental ability is high here. Then under our table descriptive statistics, we have control. This is it. We have 16. We have So now we have strategy A. Look at it. Its standard deviation is high. We have strategy B. We have control. In this table, this is Lebris test of equality of error. And this is another table. This table is so the different test between subject effects. This is the real table that comprises all the information in the analysis. This is level of significance. We can see that marking category is the only one that have highest mark here. Is significant, is significant. Our interest is significant, pre-post is very significant, but here we have 0.29 for our new mark category. It has the highest number, and we can see our eta square here. This is the result of our eta square. So degree of freedom is here, then we have the 3 sum of square, and so on and so forth. This is our estimated mean. This is our own estimated mean, and this is standard error. Pairwise comparison. So you can see the result, you can see the level of significance here. So I want to come to the end of this video, but let's look at the graph. We have estimated marginal mean of post interest here. Marginal mean of post interest. That is the end of it. Oh, thank you.